Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to do a really relaxed, chatty get ready with me. I'm just going to put on some makeup and I'm just going to talk. So let's get started. So I've already primed my eyes and concealed them. So today's video is really just like me putting makeup, me chatting, and I've got two pieces of new makeup that I want to use in this video, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to do my eyes, and it's like I'm really not doing anything like creative or inventive. I'm just going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and just do something to my eyes. So I'm just going in with a darker colour, and I'm literally just going in with whatever just to do something. I'm really not like that bothered by the look, it's just sitting down and chatting. So, how is your new year going so far? My new year so far is going alright, nothing like drastic has changed. So yeah, my new year is going alright. Hopefully 2018 is a good year for me and the world, because boy, 2017 wasn't the best. With all the stuff that was going around the world and everywhere, it's not really been the best year for our world, basically. I'm just going in again with some more colours just to make this look less this colour, because this is not what I wanted. This is all I'm doing for my eyeshadow. I'm not doing anything nuts or anything. I just want a basic smoky eye. I was just gonna literally put bronzer into my crease, but this has come. Anyways, so let's prime my face. Well, apparently a bunch of kids just decided to hang around outside my house. Hi guys, I'm back now. Literally, I couldn't record because there was a bunch of kids outside my house making so much damn noise. I can't even. Anyways, I am gonna try the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. And the shade that I got, they were like really low on stock. So I got the shade C1, but I think this is gonna be well too light for me. And I've only seen one review in it because I really wanted to just buy it and make my own opinion. I should have opened this before. But the doe foot kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, but just smaller. That's Tarte Shape Tape. That's the new one. Kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to go in with the shade C1 and I'm going to try it out. Oh, okay. I like the consistency so far. It reminds me a lot of the tape shape. So I'm just going to blend it out. So far, I like it. It might be a little bit light, but I like so far the consistency. It's not like a runny consistency. It reminds me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape, if I'm honest. That's blended already. Obviously, as you saw, I didn't put too much just because I don't know how much I need. So I'm just gonna go blend this out. So I'm just gonna go with a little bit extra, especially around here, because I feel like my dark circles are really not covered. I wouldn't say this is full coverage, but saying that, I am used to the Tarte Shape Tape, so I don't know if I'm the best judge. And the Tarte, I don't know how to say it. The Tarte Shape Tape is extremely full coverage, so But so far I'm quite liking it. Let's see, let's blend this out. Oh, that's blending really well. That's so quick to blend. Boom. Look. The heck? Okay, Makeup Revolution. Okay. So far, I would not say this concealer is full coverage. I would say it's more like medium buildable. And it blends extremely easy. It does crease. But I haven't set it. But most concealers do crease on me until I set them. I'm actually shook. I'm so surprised. Not that I thought it was going to be really rubbish. So far, I'm really liking it actually. Yes, it's not full coverage. It's not like terrible. My texture is not drying. I wouldn't say it's like it's not matte. I wouldn't say it's a matte finish. As you can see, there is some dewiness to it. So I'm just going to look up what the website actually says about the concealer. But I did buy it in Superdrugs and it cost me £4. Okay, so this concealer has 18 shades. They have cool, neutral and warm undertones. It is described as a lightweight to full coverage concealer with a matte finish that won't settle in fine lines and pores, long wearing, intensive pigment, and it has 3.5 ml, and compared to the Tarte Shape Tape has 10 ml. So obviously this has a lot less than the Tarte Shape Tape, but it's a lot cheaper. So everything in the description I kind of agree with, except that it says that it's full coverage. I don't think it's full coverage, and I also don't think it's really matte. I think it has a satin kind of finish, but obviously when I say it might turn matte, which usually it does. But yeah, so I'm going to set my face. Yeah, it does turn matte when you set it. And I do agree that it doesn't really settle in fine lines, and it doesn't really emphasize pores. So now that I've set my under eye, I'm just going to use a liquid highlighter on my cheekbones. It's the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in Liquid Champagne. It's the one I got a while ago. Is this taking off my makeup? It's taking off my foundation. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see. So, it did kind of take away my foundation, but I've just kept blending. And it looks okay. It doesn't look the best. I don't understand how that happened this time, but it didn't happen the last time I wore it. But it has definitely taken away my foundation. Now I'm going in with the Balm Mary Lou, the Luminizer. I haven't used this in ages. This was like a proper cult favourite. Like everyone on YouTube was talking about it. And I do like it, but mine is like completely shattered. Because it's so soft. So incredibly soft. I'm putting a lot of highlight on today. Usually I don't put this much. Nowhere near this much. But today for some reason, I want all the highlight. Oh my god, I look like Tin Man. Touch my nose. Calm down, Daniela, with this highlight. So before I finish off my face, I want to go in with a new product that I got. It's the LA Splash Cosmetics Arty Tech Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. Looks like this. I like the packaging. I really like the packaging. This is £11.25 off Beauty Bay. Anyway, so I'm going to do my liner. So I'm going to try and do it on camera. Wish me luck. Okay. That was very easy to do that line. Okay. What the heck? Okay, is this going to get me back into eyeliner? And my hands are really shaky as well. Did you see how quick I just done that liner? I am shook. I'm shook how quick I did that. Yes, I need to clean it up. It's not the perfect wing, don't get me wrong, but it didn't take me 20 minutes to do it. Like, it usually takes me about 20 minutes to do liner. Because, like, I used to be so good at liner and then I stopped doing it, so now I'm not that good. So I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to come back on camera. So I'm back, guys. I had a right dilemma with my liner. It doesn't look the same. I can't be bothered. So my final thoughts on this are, it is so easy to do liner with this. So easy. I'm really enjoying this. But it doesn't have a matte finish. It looks like it because I went over it with black eyeshadow, but it does not have a matte finish. And it is waterproof. I did kind of wipe it a little bit with baby wipe and it kind of was hard to come off. So basically this product isn't described as matte, it's described as silky and it is shiny, it's not matte. But I bought this on a whim sort of thing, just thinking there's quite a lot of positive reviews on this, let me buy it and see. I've just gone on the website and there's some people saying that this dries out really quickly, so let me see if it's dried out. I don't think it should dry out already. It's not drying out already. Anyways, yeah, so I will carry on testing it and I will carry on testing the concealer and I will give you an update whether it's on my Insta or a future video. And yeah, let's finish off my makeup. So now I'm just going in with mascara. Is there any products that you lot would really recommend me to try? Because I want to do like a full face of first impressions, but there's nothing out there that's really like calling my attention. There's no new products, there's no existing products that are calling my attention. I've been looking, I'm looking to spend money, I just can't find anything that I actually want to buy. Like I still want to do my full face of Primark because I got another foundation from there, which I think is new. Well, it's new to my Primark. So I really want to try that. And that will be coming when I can find like a bronzer and the rest of the stuff that I need. So now I'm just going to do my lash line. And again, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see, but the concealer is creasing with powder. Okay, that's not great. What the heck? I had high hopes for this concealer. Some concealers do that to me. They crease even if I set them. I'm really shocked by that. I didn't think it would crease like that quickly. Or like crease with like powder. I'm just going in with the Mary Luminizer, I can't even say the word, into my tear duct area. Alright, so I'm going to do my mascara off camera because it takes me like 3 minutes. So I've done my mascara and I started doing my bronzer. I completely forgot. And the bronzer that I used is the e.l.f. bronzer in Fiji. So it looks like that. So now I'm just going to do some blush. I'm not going to go heavy. Just a tiny bit. So now I'm going to do my lips. And I'm going to go in with the NYX lip liner in Neutral. I'm going with another lip liner and it's the one in Chestnut. I don't know why I'm going in with this colour. I'm just blending it in. Anyways guys, so I'm going to do my lip gloss and I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. Remember when this was like a cult favourite? Everyone loved this. So guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did watch the video and you did like it, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Bye guys. Fuck, this video is an absolute shit show.